Well, during this question, it's really half a physics question and half an algebra question, right? And so what we have to do is come up with an equation that will relate the height of the pebble with the time, right? We need to know a little more information here. So I'm going to write a function. I'm going to say height as a function of time, all right? And that's going to be equal to where we start, so 160 feet above the ground. And then we have to take into account the force of gravity times time. All right, and so in feet per second squared, all right, gravity is negative 32 feet per second squared. All right, so your height then is going to be 160 feet minus 32 t squared. All right, and so our function in general is then 160 minus 32 t squared. All right, now this question's asking for how many seconds does it take before the pebble gets to 16 feet high? All right, so this is my y value that I'm going to plug in right here. All right, so 16 is equal to 160 minus 32 t squared. And then if I let's make the math easy and the signs easy. So I'm going to add 32 t squared to both sides. All right, 32 t squared plus 16 is equal to 160. I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. I chose to do it that way so that I would have positive numbers as opposed to negative ones. All right, 16 minus 160 minus 16 is 144. If I divide both sides by 32, I am given t squared is equal to 144 divided by 32, which is 4.5. And then to find the time, I'm just going to square root both sides. Square root of t squared is equal to the square root of 4.5. So t would be the square root of 4.5, which is 2.12 seconds. All right, so that will give us the time it takes for the pebble to drop from 160 feet to 16 feet.